Floating in the dark asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter lies a celestial anomaly worth $10 quintillion, a cosmic treasure chest containing more wealth than all money on planet Earth combined today. To understand $10 quintillion, imagine having enough pure gold to buy every single skyscraper in New York, every sports franchise, every global corporation, and every country on Earth 100 times over. If divided among humanity today, this single metal rock would instantly make all 8 billion people on Earth multi-billionaires, transforming global wealth beyond anything our civilization has ever witnessed in human history. Yet what makes this discovery truly staggering is that scientists now believe this massive 140-mile-wide asteroid is just a tiny broken fragment of a much larger cosmic parent world. The story began in 1852 when Italian astronomer Annibale de Gasparis gazed through a brass telescope in Naples, recording a faint, mysterious speck of light orbiting in the distant asteroid belt. For over a century, astronomers assumed it was an ordinary rock, until modern space spectroscopy and radar imaging revealed it reflected radio signals with the unmistakable metallic signature of solid gold and iron. Subsequent Hubble Space Telescope observations confirmed that 16 Psyche is almost entirely composed of exposed metallic iron, nickel, gold, and precious platinum, making it totally unique among millions of surrounding rocky space asteroids. Astrophysicists realized 16 Psyche is not an ordinary asteroid, but rather the exposed frozen metallic heart of an ancient baby planet that was brutally destroyed during the violent birth of our solar system 4.5 billion years ago. But protoplanet, the size of Mars, was forming when colossal cosmic collisions violently blasted away its outer rocky mantle, leaving behind only its dense molten core. Over billions of cold years in the vacuum of space, that exposed molten heart slowly crystallized into a 140-mile-wide vault of solid precious metals, drifting silently through the dark. This realization sparked incredible scientific hype, because if a single shattered fragment holds $10 quintillion in gold, what unimaginable cosmic treasures did the rest of that destroyed parent world once truly hold? Beyond gold and platinum, astronomers have discovered distant exoplanets, say 55 Cancri E, where intense heat and crushing pressure have crystallized deep subterranean carbon layers into continents of pure gleaming solid diamond. Other heavy metal worlds drift across the cosmos, holding oceans of liquid platinum, mountains of titanium, and ultra-bare radioactive elements that exist nowhere naturally on the rocky surface of our home planet. The universe is an infinite cosmic vault of wealth, and 16 Psyche is the first solid metal planetary core that humanity has ever had the technological capability to reach and explore up close. This raises a fascinating economic paradox, because if an asteroid mining company successfully captured 16 Psyche and brought all that gold back to Earth, it would instantly destroy the entire global financial economy. Under basic economic supply and demand, dumping trillions of tons of gold into terrestrial markets would cause the price of precious metals to crash, making gold as cheap and worthless as ordinary graphite. Banking reserves, fiat currencies, and international stock markets would collapse into financial chaos, proving that astronomical space wealth cannot simply be dragged back down to Earth without destroying our modern global economic foundation. Instead, visionary space engineers realized that the true value of 16 Psyche lies in using its vast metallic resources directly in space to construct massive interplanetary stations, lunar bases, and deep space fleets. In October 2023, NASA officially launched the historic Psyche spacecraft aboard a massive SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket, beginning a 2.2 billion-mile journey across the vast dark solar system. The cutting-edge robotic explorer is powered by futuristic solar-electric Hall-effect ion thrusters that glow with a brilliant electric blue plume as the spacecraft silently accelerates through the interplanetary cosmic void. Deep inside NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory, mission controllers track telemetry data streaming from the Deep Space Probe as it executes a critical gravitational slingshot maneuver past the red planet Mars. When the NASA spacecraft arrives at 16 Psyche in 2029, its multispectral cameras will beam back the first close-up images of a metallic alien world ever witnessed by humans. Scientists expect to see jagged metallic cliffs towering thousands of feet high, impact craters lined with frozen nickel-iron sheets and gleaming veins of gold, glittering under the distant light of the sun. By analyzing orbital spectrometer data, university astrophysicists discovered mysterious remnants of an ancient planetary magnetic field, locked deep within the metallic crystalline crust of this frozen asteroid world. Beyond its unimaginable material wealth, 16 Psyche offers scientists an unprecedented opportunity to study the inaccessible metallic core of Earth without ever having to drill down through thousands of miles of scorching rock. Because Earth's molten core is trapped beneath thousands of miles of scorching mantle rock, humans can never visit our own planetary heart, making 16 Psyche our only window into how planets truly form. By studying the nickel-iron composition of this metal asteroid, geologists will finally unlock the ancient secrets of planetary magnetic fields, core formation, and the violent collisions that built our modern solar system. The mission features groundbreaking optical communications technology, using infrared laser beams to transmit high-definition scientific data across millions of miles of dark interplanetary space back to Earth. Every single measurement gathered by the NASA Psyche mission will lay the crucial engineering groundwork for the future of commercial asteroid mining, which could become a trillion-dollar industry in the coming century. Private aerospace companies are already designing autonomous robotic mining spacecraft capable of capturing smaller near-Earth metallic asteroids to extract water fuel and structural metals for building orbital manufacturing hubs and space habitats. If humanity is to become a true multiplanetary spacefaring species, we must learn to harvest the raw materials of space rather than depleting the finite and fragile resources of our home planet. 16 Psyche proves that the solar system is not an empty barren wasteland, but a vast celestial frontier, filled with the raw building blocks needed to fuel human civilization for millions of years. Imagine floating in a spacesuit just outside the massive curved metallic horizon of 16 Psyche, watching golden sunlight gleam across towering cliffs of pure iron, gold and platinum in total dark, cosmic silence. Somewhere out there in the dark ocean of stars, an entire graveyard of shattered worlds is drifting, waiting for future generations of human explorers to venture into deep space and claim their legacy. The $10 quintillion gold asteroid is a monument to cosmic violence, planetary evolution, and the boundless curiosity of humanity as we take our first bold steps into the rich, vast outer universe. As the NASA Psyche probe cruises towards its metallic destination in 2029, it carries the hopes of science, proving that the greatest treasures in the cosmos are waiting to be discovered.